Hey y'all, what is up? It's Red Hunnies, and today we're going to do reviews on the Mr. Beast chocolate bars. And there's peanut butter crunch, milk crunch, and the last one is almond. And I don't like almonds. In case you guys don't know who Mr. Beast is, he's like the king of YouTube. A lot of people go on his YouTube channel. He has like a bunch of challenges and stuff like that. He's a nice person. You guys should check him out too. Check out his YouTube channel, Mr. Beast, and his Twitter and all that type of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna try the first one, which is the peanut butter crunch. I think this one came out of that one. Is it? Okay, this one, I'll rate a good 7. It tastes exactly like crunch. So, a good 7. Now, the next one is the milk crunch. Tastes like the normal crunch bar. A 9. The last one, which is almond. Like I said, I don't like almonds, so if he makes me like it, that's an accomplishment. It's all right. It's not bad, but it is like a good 5. A good 5. Yeah. So far, I would rate the milk crunch first, the peanut butter crunch second, and the almond third. I wouldn't even buy the almond ones. I would more than likely buy the milk crunch ones or the peanut butter crunch. In all honesty, I don't really buy Mr. Beast stuff. I don't know if he has other stuff as well, but if he does, I'll probably try it out. But to me, I think like those bars were good. And then I think PewDiePie, I saw PewDiePie have Cheez-Its, if you guys know who that is. He's a gamer on YouTube as well, so I'll probably check that out as well. Anyways, you guys can like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below if you guys ever tried any of these. How much were they?
$2.57.
All of them together?
No.
Or separate?
Per bar.
Oh, so per bar, it was 222. I said 200.
I'm just here. Check out my channel too. Versatile Vet. Because I'm a veteran.
All right, bye y'all.